Welcome back. We created the layouts, we created the data class, and we created the adapter class. Now let's move to the main activity and combine all these parts together in order to display a professional recycler view in our layout. So here I'll start with the adapter view, which is in this case a recycler view. Val recycler view, it's of type recycler view. I'm going to initialize the recycler view that I created in the activity underscore main.xml file equals to find view by id r.id.recyclerView, and recyclerView dot layout manager equals to linear layout manager, and passing 3 parameters: this linear layout manager dot vertical and false. What does this code mean? The recyclerView dot layout manager, this line sets the layout manager for the recycler view, and the layout manager is responsible for positioning and measuring items in the recycler view. Linear layout manager, this is one of the built-in layout managers provided by Android for the recycler view. It arranges items in a linear fashion, either horizontally or vertically, depending on the orientation specified. This, the first parameter, represents the context for the linear layout manager. In this case, it's using this, which implies the context of the current activity or fragment. And since we are working with the main activity, I'm referring for this context of the main activity. Linear layout manager dot vertical, the second parameter specifies the orientation of the layout manager, and in this case it's set it to vertical, indicating that the recycler view should arrange its items vertically. False, the third parameter, indicates whether the layout manager should reverse the layout. If set to true, it would reverse the order of items. Setting it to false means the items are arranged in the normal order. The second part is the data source. So here I need to create my data source, which is in this case list of item model objects. I'll start creating var grocery items equals, or it's of type array list of type item model. Here you need to specify your data class, your model class, and it's of type array list. I'll start creating objects in order to store it inside the grocery items. So the first variable is v1 equals to item model, and here I need to specify 3 things: name, description, and image. The first one named as fruits, description, fresh fruits from the garden, and the third parameter is r.drawable.fruit. I added this drawable in the previous videos. So if you go to drawable, click on fruit, I'm specifying this icon. Now I'll continue to create the other items. And here we go. These are my items: fruits, vegetables, bakery, beverage, milk, and snacks. Now let's add these items to the grocery items array list, which is of type item model. Grocery items dot add v1 and the other items. Then we need to create an adapter instance, my adapter, and here I'm passing the items list, which is the grocery items. Then I need to link the recycler view with this adapter, so I'll use recyclerview.adapter equals to this instance that we created. Save the project and run. And if you encounter this error, you need to update the dependency. So go to the Gradle scripts, and here the compile SDK would be 34 and target SDK 34. Sync now and run again. And here we go. This is our lovely application. You can scroll down and you can see the items in this recycler view. So this is the image view. This is the title, which is a text view, and this is the description. So congratulations, guys. We created this RecyclerView. It's very important application that we learned how to use the RecyclerView, and we learned about the adapters.